Can you solve the 2025 hardest PSLE question? So the question goes here. This figure is made out of three equilateral triangle. What is the length of AB? So a lot of tutors will give you this kind of solution where if there's two overlap shapes, then one side of the shape is equal to another side of the shape. As you can see, it says 18 centimeters and this is 18 centimeters. But the thing is that if you know about this concept, then it's probably very straightforward. But if you don't know about this concept, then how? You're gonna get stuck, right? But you still want to get that AL1 grade. So what I usually do is if you don't know where to start, just label and create equations. So what we have over here is that we want to get AB and we have different labels. So we have A over here, and we have B over here in green and C in blue. Just put the labels, right? And then just create the equations. So what we can do is since AB and this triangle is all equilateral, so that means all sides are the same. So over here, let's put AB over here, and then we just create equations. That's it. Just put the equations, right? AB is equal to, so in this case, it's 18 plus A, right? The rate A as what you see over here. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So let's move to AB and 3. So you see there's A, B, and then 3 centimeters. So let's do that also. So AB is equal to A and then plus B and then plus 3 centimeters. Okay, so last one, we have this one as well, right? So you just write it down. So AB over here, there's 3 centimeters and C. So write down again, right? So AB is equal to 3 centimeters plus C. Okay, and last one, since we have this 41 centimeters over here, right? This 41 centimeters, and then we have AB over here. Then what we can do is we can, create another equation where AB is equal to, so AB is equal to 41, and then we can minus what? Right? So 41 includes B and 3 centimeters. So that means in this case, AB is equal to 41 minus 3 minus B, which is equal to 38 minus B. That's it. All right, so now we have a couple of equations that we can work with. And the thing is that if you are used to simultaneous equation, or this is also algebraic equation-ish, so what you know is that all of the equations are the same. So where do you start with? So for me, usually if I were to tell you, right, you always want to start with if you see two equations that have the same letters. So the first equation and second equation, the same letter is A. Then we can create an equation that goes like this. Because since all of these equations are equal to each other, we can write down 18A plus A equal to A plus B plus 3, right? And then now we can just like do normal simultaneous equation. So what you can do is if you've done a lot of simultaneous equation, you can just cancel A out, right? A is just get rid of, right, in both sides over here. So now the next thing is we are left with 18 equal to B plus 3. So now we know that B is equal to you minus 3 with 18, and this will give you 15. So now you know that this B over here, if I were to write down, this is 15 centimeters. And how do we get AB? Since we know B, you see that there is 38 and minus B, and therefore you can just write down AB is equal to 38, right? Minus 15, which is B, and this will give us 38 minus 15 will be 23 centimeters. There you go. That's the answer.